Sí, sí, para la mujer.
So I don't know if you guys know this, but I make the best hickory smoked pickled spice pickles. So what we do, if I can get one out of here, there we go. These sit for about a week in the regular pickle juice, and then we add in chili, cracked corn, pepper, and red pepper bite to this with garlic, cloves of garlic, and then we let these sit for 2 or 3 weeks. Then we take them out and we smoke them on hickory smoke, put them in a big container, and we smoke them, and then when we're done we put them back in the original jars. And as you can see, these suckers are spicy, but I started making these about a year ago, and these are delicious. Oh my god. Oh, that is ridiculous. So if anybody wants me to make them some crazy amazing pickles, smoked pickles, spicy smoked pickles I should say, just let me know.
Alright, quickly how you do this, right? Get your favorite brand of kosher pickle, whatever kind of pickle you want. Doesn't matter. I find kosher dills to be my favorite. Not chopped. I like whole pickles. So I get kosher dill. Pick your favorite brand. Pick whatever size jar you want. Really doesn't matter. The spice bite and the smoke flavor are going to come naturally as you do this. So get your favorite brand of pickle or make your own pickles. Whatever you want to do. Completely up to you. Making your own pickles obviously takes a lot longer. Making DIY spicy pickles, a lot faster process. With that being said, buy your favorite type of pickles, favorite brand, and what you're going to do, take them home and take the container, open the lid, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pour a good amount of red pepper corn in there, red pepper. I also do a good 2 or 3 tablespoons. For a regular jar of pickles, I do about 2 or 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of red pepper, and I do 1 tablespoon of fresh peppercorn, black pepper kernel corn. I crush them up, make a tablespoon worth, put it in there, and then I take about 2 or 3 clover leaves, I chop them up real good and drop them in there, and then I let them sit. Okay, I let them sit. All right, you can do this duration for as long as you want to. Remember, the longer they sit, more flavor they're gonna have, but a lot of that flavor will also be backed out a little bit. The heat level will come backed out once they get smoked, because obviously there's gonna be heat in there. So ideally, you wanna let them sit for about a week, maybe 2, with all that in there just marinating. Then what you do, get your favorite type of wood, pull out your smoker, okay? Pour all of the contents of the pickles into a container, preferably something aluminum, and you're going to take that and put it in your smoker. I normally smoke my pickles for about 4 hours on very, very low heat. All we're trying to do is get the flavor in them, not totally cook the pickles, but get the flavor in them. So you just want to run the smoke on really, really extremely low heat. You're just looking for the flavor out of this. Choose your wood that you want. If you don't want to use wood, I've seen people charcoal grill them. They taste just as good to me. I mean, but I prefer hickory smoked wood, stuff like that. 4 to 5 hours on the smoker, chilling. When you're done, take them, put them back in the container that they came from, seal the lid, and store it for another week. That's it. Get ready. Pull out your fork, because they're gonna be banging, boy. Yeah. If you like this video, you want to see more like it, well, you know, hit that subscribe button. I do weird stuff. I'm all over the map with my channel. I just have fun, and I like to show you guys some of the crazy stuff that I do. This is one of those things. So I actually just picked up my pickles from my buddy Smoker. So I tried one. They're not quite ready. They still need to sit another week, but they're still very good. Even right now, coming off the smoker, I chilled them for a little bit in the fridge, and before eating one, they're very tasty now, but in a week, let them sit. That smoke flavor that's all up in all that vinegar and all the greatness is just gonna penetrate those pickles and make them just mwah, 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 delicious. So Hope you guys learned something. If you've never had smoked pickles, spicy smoked pickles before, delicious. All right, man. Don't forget to subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Toodles!